Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. The Kano State Kingmaker, who is currently challenging the reinstatement of Muhammad Sunusi as 16th Emir of Kano State, Aminu Baba, says he is satisfied with the latest ruling on the emirate by the appeal court in Abuja. Some stakeholders in Borno, Adamawa and Yobe said the increasing number of road accidents is due to careless attitude of underage drivers operate most large trucks in the region. Now, the Speaker House of Representatives Abbas Tajuddin has congratulated the Nigerian Union of Journalists (NUJ) on its 70th anniversary. In a statement on Sunday, he called for improved welfare of journalists. Insecurity. The Nigerian troops under Operation Hadinkai have raided on ISWAP hideouts in Borno State. During the operation, they killed 4 terrorists and recovered weapons. Still on insecurity, the Nigerian army neutralized 12 terrorists, including a bandit kingpin, Kachala Dogo, in Katsina State, and captured 7 motorcycles. Now move to Plateau State. Police inspector arrested for alleged killing of truck assistant in Jos. This update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can share your view in the comment sections. Like, comment, and share. Still on insecurity, the Nigerian army have repelled an attack by Boko Haram terrorists on a military checkpoint in Garkida, Adamawa State. Now politics. PDP blasts Niger State Governor over loan regrets comment, demand accountability. Still on politics, Ahmed Lawan backs President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Governor Buni reject SDP defection claims. Bauchi Obedience Movement expresses displeasure over Peter Obi's visit. Now from the international scene, a devastating nightclub fire in North Macedonia has claimed the lives of at least 51 people and injured over 118 on Saturday. Now sports. Rangers International Football Club of Enugu defeated Kwara United FC of Ilori 3-0 on Saturday in weeks 29 in the Nigerian Premier League Football League. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share. Thank you and see you next.